I'm gonna be showing you guys my little doggy. Well, he's not doggy, but you can probably hear him right now. So I'm gonna show you my doggy. Odie, kid. Odie, come on. Wait, where are you? Why? Oh, he just wants me. Okay. Odie, come on, give me some kisses. Say hello to YouTube. Can you see him? I don't know if you can. See, there he is. He's right there. That's my little doggy. He's mine, not yours. Say hello to YouTube. Yes. So, my dog, his name is Odie. Odie. You can see he's pumped up and I go like, Odie. I'll say anything really. If I say one word around him, he'll literally pump his ears. Right, Odie? Huh? And now he's gone. Oh, stop looking at my foot. Look at me. Okay. So that's my dog. And so I hope you enjoyed, but don't forget to leave, like, and subscribe. Bye!